Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to make a low VRAM workflow for LTX 2.3 image to video. Now, the reason I wanted to make this workflow is actually kind of a strange reason. It's actually due to the fact that OpenAI shut down Sora. And it also eliminated their Disney deal and all that kind of stuff. And you're probably asking, okay, what does this have to do with LTX 2.3? Well, Sora was kind of like the people's workhorse for video generation. You know, you didn't need to have any hardware or an expensive subscription. You could generate high quality videos. So I wanted to create a workflow with LTX 2.3 that would work on some older Nvidia cards and lower VRAM. So I designed this for 8 gigabytes of VRAM, ideally 12 gigabytes if you have it on an older 3060 or a 4060 or even a 5060. You're not going to get the same results as you would with the full model. I will tell you right away. I mean, obviously you have to cut some corners. And I did a few things within this workflow to cut corners, which reduces the quality, but it makes it able to run on those older cards that you might have. So if you're a person like me with a 5090 and 128 gigabytes of system RAM, you don't need to watch this video. You can go right into ComfyUI and run the fully distilled model. But if you have a 5070, 5060, 4070, 4060, you know, even a 3060, this video is for you. This is going to be helpful. And I'm going to post this workflow for free on my member site, which is smallzero.io. So this is our influencer community. We have a Discord. You can join for free and come in the Discord for free. We do have a paid section as well. It's $10 a month. You get all of our tools and you get special access to our member chat and an exclusive status in Discord as well. But please come join our community for free. I'm going to host the workflow on here as well if you want to try it out. So head over there. How this works is using one of the lower quality GGUF models, which kind of pares down the full model and gives you a lesser quality model, basically, where you can run these models with less VRAM. So what we have here is LTX 2.3, 22 billion parameter, Q4 KM GGUF. So this is one of the lighter checkpoints. This should run on the lower VRAM systems. And you're also going to need the LTX 2.3 text projection BF16. We have that as well. And then, of course, your audio and video VAEs. So pretty simple, pretty standard. You can get all that stuff easily on HuggingFace, of course. We're just using any old reference image for this one. So before I started this video, I just did a quick generation. I mean, that's not very good. That's just a Flux Klein test I did. I mean, it looks okay. I just wanted to give you guys a way to run it with your older hardware and be able to experience LTX 2.3. Now, I did have this set to generate, I think it was 145 frames, so maybe about 4 or 5 seconds with the video. And you can toggle the audio generation on or off. If you want to really have more headroom with your generation, you can turn the audio off. But that's what we're going to do today. So this is just going to be a very quick video, very simple. I'm going to do a live generation here and then just head over to my website and try it out. It's simple as that. So we'll keep it very basic. First thing we're going to do is pick a new picture, something a little bit better than this. She looks terrible. I mean, look at that. I don't know why I used that one. Okay. That's more in line with this channel, you know, the AI influencers, UGC. So this, I think, was created in Nano Banana Pro with an influencer I was working with. So let's do that. So we're going to do this prompt. We're going to try and get her to say something, just explaining what the picture is. We have this on 720p, so 720p for those older systems. So let's see how this goes. We're just going to generate it on the fly here. It takes no time at all on my 5090, but I'll put a timer in here, even though this isn't really relevant for you. But yeah, I'll just show you. So let's run this now. Okay, guys, so that took 59 seconds on my 5090. So that's about, I don't know, twice as fast as the full model. So that's really good. So that's going to be obviously slower on a lesser card like a 3060 or 3070 or something like that, but gives you an idea. Now let's take a look at the generation that I created here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, so the audio isn't amazing. You'd have to tweak that a little bit. I don't know if this workflow is actually that good for audio. It might just be better for video. Her face gets a little bit distorted with the smudges in the window there, but I mean, it's not bad. The movement looks good, and I would say this is better than a lot of low VRAM workflows. So Try it out, tweak it. If there's anything that you should change in this workflow, leave a comment below and let me know. Let me know what card you're running it on too, and if there's any improvements I can make. So check this out. It's free to download on smallzero.io. I just wanted to help out the lower VRAM guys out. So hopefully this does something for you, and I'll keep working on LTX 2.3, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day.